Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford Bronco Raptor. Start by studying reference images and marking the main vehicle proportions with light construction lines, focusing on wheelbase and roofline. Block in the major shapes like hood, cabin, fenders, and bed. Keep strokes loose, check symmetry frequently, and refine details progressively. Use darker lines and shading last-to-name forms and add realistic textures for metal, rubber, and glass. Begin the frame by drawing two horizon-aligned ellipses for wheels and a long rectangle for the chassis, then place the cabin block above the rear axle. Sketch hood and bed volumes with simple planes, keeping perspective consistent with the wheel angle. Adjust proportions until the stance feels aggressive and balanced. Erase construction overlaps, then add secondary shapes like fender flares, bumper mass, and grille placement while maintaining light, flexible strokes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful drawing videos. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for storing and viewing reference photos on the go, making it easy to study car details in any lighting. It fits in a bag and reads clearly beside your sketchbook. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on detailing by refining grille lettering, headlight shapes, and bumper vents while checking against your reference for accuracy. Draw rims and chunky tires with visible tread patterns, adding weight to the stance. Indicate suspension and underbody shadows to ground the vehicle. Apply shading that follows each plane, using softer gradients for curves and crisp highlights for glossy paint and glass to convey material differences and depth in the final drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.